We'll guide you through how to double tap to turn on or off the screen on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then you don't need to go and use the side button. You can simply go and double tap. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. So what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up because we need to go and head to our settings for this. You can go and search for settings at the top or swipe across the pages and find the settings app. Then you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for advanced features and you can tap in here. Now in here, you need to come down until you can find the option for motions and gestures and tap there. And you want to go and find these two options. So you could have either of them on or both, or that's what we want to do. So what we're going to do is go and switch on, double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen like that. So now we can guide you through how it's going to work. So literally you just go and double tap like this and it'll go and turn it off, and we can go and double tap again and it'll come on again. And then you can swipe up and enter in your PIN and you go and get the idea. That's how it works. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again soon. Goodbye for now.